Nobody in this video had a plan. That is clear. Human tries helping, but Cat Brain says gravity.
Docha time!
We have all been there. Especially that face at the end. Total judgment. Satisfied now, human servants. The chaos starts immediately and does not stop. Lily is giving this tiny human the ultimate side eye of suspicion. Someone check her pulse, she is totally frozen. Then she snaps out of it, shakes it off, and demands her own.
I know, baby. That's your baby. That's your baby, honey. It is. That's my baby, sweetie. My baby, honey.
Your little sister, Lulu.
Your baby. This is your baby.
We all need to protect our little girl, okay, baby?
The hero nobody asked for has arrived. That tail bite completely broke the Tuxedo Cat's matrix. The hero nobody asked for has arrived. This split-faced criminal just bowed to her tiny kingdom.
This is you right here? Okay. What are you doing?
This has been living in my camera roll for weeks. You try to wash your hands, and you are met with pure, unadulterated judgment. He really said, "This is my sink now, human." Privacy just does not exist.
deal.
Watch the ears. The ears know exactly what is going on. This tiny tabby ninja is in a full-blown wrestling match with a single rubber band. Absolute peak predator behavior right here. Someone tell him he already won. Stay feisty. 'This is me every Monday morning and I will not explain further. This chubby boss expected a 5-star buffet, but got maximum.
You know what? I don't think you even respect the scariness of me because I am so scared.
Three seconds in and I already knew this would end badly. That majestic, grey fluff ball is staring intently into the distance. It is definitely plotting something grand. This mastermind is just pretending to look innocent while secretly trying to. putting this in my top 5 of all time. This cat is literally showering under a hose. Pure bliss.
Oke, berangkat. Pelan-pelan aja ya, hati-hati ya. Lupa dia turun. Dia turun deh. Nggak mau pergi ya? Di rumah aja ya. Ya. Nggak mau pergi. Nah, coba sekarang naik di situ. Suka nggak? Ya, ditutup pakai kaki ya. Iya. Keluar lagi. Harus diikat berarti. Oke. Itu mau tuh. Ada bisa naik motor ya, keliling ya. Suka nggak naik motor? Oke.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. 6 tiniest.
Jelek banget. Ini banget. Kotor.
We have all been there. Especially that face at the end. Cat versus stealth squirrel, absolute classic backyard rumble.
Cái này nè, cái này nấu canh chua không hẹ.
Hay mình mặc vào canh cà đi. Mình không có canh cà trái quắt đi. Hay là canh cà trái nhào đi.
Hôm nay nấu cái món gì trứng lộn vậy?
Trời ơi mẹ ơi, người ta còn lấy cái cá đó nấu lẩu nữa đó.
Cái tôm thịt rán hay chẳng hạn của kem.
Did they know we were all going to see this? Just sitting there pretending to be a regular loaf of bread. Seriously, his eyes are tracking me like a tiny, furry security camera. Sleep with one eye open tonight, folks.
Hey.
Ma. Mak.